does, but she doesn't. Mom wants to see you do it. You have to learn first.
But
So.
bikes are loud.
Their bikes are louder. My bike's not that loud.
How loud is it?
It's not that loud. I was wondering where my mic was. Okay. Okay. This is the same helmet Dondre wore when I taught him. Your turn. Here, Wayne. Hey, come on. Stop playing with sticks. You can play in the backyard later.
This helmet is gonna smush my cheeks.
Yeah, you know what? Everybody's cheeks get smushed. We look like cute little babies. They go like this. Like this. Can you do it? You can do it. Make sure your head gets in there. Pop it down like a little egg.
First.
Is your head all the way in? Good job, Wayne. There you go. There you go.
Takes away some of my vision.
Because it's a little crooked. Sister will help though. Hey, you know what you look like, Wayne? Predator. That like super killer machine. Don't be in the street. Let me see. Head up. Come on, Stormtrooper. Click. Pop that up. Look at sister. High five. Yes. Yes. How do you feel? I want to make sure you're good. You feel okay?
It's crushing my skull a little bit.
It's crushing. What does it feel? You talking about right here?
Yeah.
Right there is okay, as long as it's not hurting you. It's going to squish your face. It's protecting your lovely cheeks. Just think of it as sister saying, I love you so much. Good job, Wayne. You did it. So this is the rule. Before you get on a bike, I have to get on first. So you have to wait for me to get on. Boom. Wayne, come here. So you wait for the first person to get on first. Come on this side. This side. Okay, now once I'm on, you see, look, you see the kickstand? You see that? That means, look, see that? That means we're not gonna fall. So you don't have to worry, the bike won't fall. Now you use this right here, right there. You headbutt me, bro? You
Loud when you move?
No, Mom's bike is louder than mine. Mine is pretty quiet. See, it's not that bad. You feel sitting up there? How you feel? All you gotta do is hug sister. That's it. Just hug me. We're just gonna go around. We'll go around the block. I'll go slow. Don't worry. Okay? Now you always hug sister. Just hug me. Just give me all your love. I can have all your love? Okay, all your love is mine. Thank you. This mic does not want to stay in here. Good job, little brother. Don't headbutt me. All right, standing up the bike. Kickstands up. Are you holding on to sister? Okay. And we're moving. It's not loud. It is not loud. We're not going fast, you weirdo. It is not fast. It is not. Whee! Okie dokie. We're gonna keep going. Whee! We're like riding a bike together. I'm riding a bike with my brother. We're riding a bike together. I'm right here. Look, we went around the block. So how did that feel? How do you feel? There you go. How do you feel? You okay? What's the matter? You straight? When we gotta practice? You know I'm not gonna let nothing happen to you, right? Right? Would it feel better if I had something to tie you to me? You like that better? Okay, let me get it. Because I think this will make you feel better. Because I think you like having security and feeling secure. You were like that even when you were a baby. And this is what I used when you were a baby. Thumbs up. I believe. See? Same thing. It's really long too. Sister is taking care of you. Does that feel better? Yes? Okay. So you like a little bit of security. Okay? Sister got your back. All right. So there's never a need to panic. You are with your sister, and sister forever protects little brother. Let's ride. Whee! Wayne, we're in first gear. We're okay. Put your thing down. Weirdo? There you go. Are your vents open? I can't reach your vents. There you go. Have some air come from the top. All right, little brother. We are a team of motorcycle riders, and we are riding together because we are awesome. Let's ride. Whee! I got your back. It's like riding a bike, only you don't have to drive, I do. And we stop at the stop sign, and we look to see if there's any cars, and then we go. Whee! We're not going fast, Wayne. We're going 16 miles an hour, that's it. And we have a stop sign. So we stop, and then we keep going. Let's take that. Can we go around in a circle? Where's a circle that we can do a circle? And we stop to check. We always check to see if somebody's coming on our bike, and then we go. Hey, they cut off the, oh no, we can go that way. Are you sitting up there? All right, you're doing good. How you feel? It's not so bad? It's okay. So you think if we keep practicing together, we can go visit Mom one day and surprise her? I think Mom would lose her mind. She'd be like, is that my son? Is that my baby? You know she's gonna be super happy.
Let's show her. 1, 2.
Well, we can't show her yet. I want you to practice so you feel good, and then we'll go show her. Huh? We got. You want to go again? All right, that's cool. Hey, you know we're gonna be the coolest people because it's 2 people on a bike. Most people don't have a friend to ride with, but now I have a friend to ride with. I never get to ride with anybody, not on my bike. Yeah. Hey, look, there's another 2 up. See? Hey, at least sister doesn't do that. They're having fun. Bye, guys. Is this a circle? It looks like a circle. We did not come this way last time. We did not. Look, backseat driver. I wonder if any bikers live over here. We went right last time. We didn't go left. Or no, I don't know my left from my right. Don't make fun of me. But we did not come this way. Oh, you know what we could do? Go hunt for Pokemon. We look like Pokemon hunters. We're hunting for Pokemon! We're gonna turn to that way, whatever that is. The left, is that the left? That's the left. And then we pause, because we check to see if cars are coming. Because we're little, people don't always see us. Okay, we're safe. Good job! You're alive!
Now show mom.
Well, we gotta go visit mom. That's gonna be the fun part. See? Push this down. There's his face. There's his face. Wait, Wayne, unbuckle. Just unbuckle it. Why is life so hard for you? Don't drop it. Good job, bro. Okay, debrief. Tell me, how was it? Was it as scary as you thought it would be? It doesn't seem as scary as you thought it would be.
Okay.
It was okay? It was just okay. Okay. You did your first ride, so we gotta practice.
It was okay.
It was okay. Good job. You did good. Yes. You've been on you are like no other kids. Other kids don't do what you do. You are now a special kid. Do you understand how special you are? You're cool, Wayne. So on a different day, we'll practice. And then one day we're going to go surprise mom. We'll drive around the corner and surprise her at work. Good job, Wayne. Are you hungry? Do you need to eat? You hungry? Dad didn't give you food, did he?
He didn't give me food.
Okay. Sister will make you lunch.